Hello, young stargazers. Are you aware of the wonders of gazing at the night sky with its infinite twinkling lights against the darkness? These tiny dots, known as stars, have traveled millions of kilometers to shine brightly. Sometimes you may wonder, why does the number of stars visible vary as one travels to different parts of the earth? Let us explore the science and magic behind the practice of observing the night sky. On a clear, cloudless night, particularly in a village or remote area, you may witness hundreds or even thousands of stars twinkling above. However, if you reside in a bustling city, you will notice a stark difference. Only a handful of stars may be visible. Why is this the case? The culprit is light pollution, caused by the excessive use of artificial lighting. Combined with smoke and dust in urban areas, light pollution obscures our view of the night sky. Light pollution is more than just an inconvenience for stargazers. It hinders both the enjoyment and the scientific study of celestial objects. A dark and open area far removed from the glare of city lights, tall buildings, and obstructive trees provide the best opportunity to experience the true beauty of the night sky. Dark places, including designated dark sky reserves, mitigate light pollution and preserve the night splendor for research and recreational purposes. Now, here is an intriguing fact. Not all stars and constellations are visible from every location on Earth. Did you know that the pole star, which remains stationary in the northern sky, cannot be observed from the southern hemisphere? This star serves as a unique navigational guide in the northern hemisphere. To locate a star or constellation, one must know where to look and what patterns to identify. Modern technology has simplified this process through the use of mobile applications such as SkyMap and Stellarium. These apps help users identify stars, constellations, and even planets in the night sky. For both mobile and desktop devices, it's free to download and offers numerous features to enhance the stargazing experience. Preparing for a stargazing session. If you are excited to explore the night sky, follow these steps to ensure a memorable stargazing experience. Number 1. Find a dark, open area. Seek a location with an adult, far from bright lights, tall buildings and trees. Suitable options include a park, field, or even a backyard if it is sufficiently dark. Number 2. Pick the right night and time. Plan your stargazing session on a moonless night, as the moon's brightness can overshadow that of the stars. Check weather forecasts to ensure clear skies. Number 3. Gather useful equipment. Bring a smartphone or tablet with a SkyMap app or print images of constellations you wish to observe. A magnetic compass can help with orientation, and a notebook will allow you to draw or record observations. Number 4. Adapt your eyes to the darkness. Once at your stargazing spot, wait approximately 30 minutes for your eyes to adjust to the dark. This will enable you to discern even the faintest stars. Number 5. Prioritize safety. Always stargaze under adult supervision, particularly in unfamiliar or remote areas. Safety is paramount. Identifying constellations. Let us begin with a relatively easy to spot constellation, the Big Dipper, which is a part of the Ursa Major constellation. The Big Dipper is most visible in the northern sky on summer evenings. Look for its distinctive shape, which resembles a ladle or large spoon. Once you have located the Big Dipper, you can use it to find the pole star. Here's how. Number 1. Locate the two stars at the end of the Big Dipper's cup. Number 2. Draw an imaginary straight line through these two stars, extending it northwards. Number 3. After about 5 times the distance between these stars, you will spot a faint star. This is the pole star. Another fascinating constellation to observe is Orion, the hunter, best viewed between December and April in India. To locate Orion, number 1, look for 3 bright stars arranged in a straight line. These form Orion's belt. Number 2, once you identify Orion, you can locate Sirius, a star in the Canis Major constellation. Number 3, draw a straight line through Orion's belt and extend it eastwards. This line will guide you to Sirius, the brightest star in the night sky. The importance of stargazing. Stargazing connects us to the wonders of the universe. It is awe-inspiring to consider that our ancestors relied on the stars for navigation and storytelling. Every constellation has a story, reflecting the imagination and culture of those who named it. For instance, in India, the Big Dipper is known as Saptarishi, referring to 7 ancient sages. In some tribal narratives, it is called the grandmother's cot. These stories and patterns serve as a reminder of the creativity and curiosity of our forebears. By observing the night sky, we honor their traditions while embracing modern tools and knowledge. The next time you look up at the twinkling lights above, remember, what you are witnessing is a universe full of mysteries waiting to be explored. Let us work together to reduce light pollution and preserve the night sky's magic for future generations. Happy stargazing. Goodbye.